Hey, what's up, crew? It's Serge here again from DWeb, and today we got a pretty controversial topic on our hands. We are talking about the big elephant in the room. It's speed. It's the speed of your website or your landing page, and why you should never ignore this. Today, we're looking at what you should know about it, how to achieve great speeds and a great overall experience without spending hours optimizing your website or breaking the bank. So stick around until the end to see how we do it. Unless you've been living under a rock, you can see it's pretty much something that it's deadly to ignore. And we're talking about the conversion rate of your website versus the speed. Now, if you got a website, you probably built it to get some sort of result. If it's a shop, it's going to be purchases. If it's a landing page, it's going to be leads or purchases, right? And what we can see here is that for every second you add to your load time, you drop the conversion rate by about 0.5%, which is massive. That means that if you had 100 people visit your website, then you had 2 people of them converting. Then if you add a second to that, you get to 1.5. Well, that's not really possible, but you get the point. There are 2 reasons why you're here right now watching this video. Number 1, you have a page of your own, you have a site of your own, just want to increase the conversion rate. Or number 2, you're an agency and want to provide a great product for your clients, and you have a great experience and deliver a great product to them. So if that's the case for you and that's why you're here, make sure to drop a like or subscribe to this video. More people get to see this and improve their experience. Step number 1 is always going to be choosing a high quality DNS and hosting provider. I want you to stop the search right now, go in the link in the description and try out Cloudways 3-day free trial for WooCommerce hosting. And you'll know what I'm talking about. Number 2 is going to be using a very quality optimized theme like Goya. I tried this out. I have another video in the description if you want to watch this, but guaranteed this is very well optimized from the developers, and it's going to load super fast if you follow the instructions of this video. And number 3, it's going to be using a optimization service like Nitro Pack, which is essentially the fastest way to get to 100 or like very close to it without knowing how to code or doing anything with the images or nothing like that, right? So you can see in their stats here, it's actually I tested this out. So go ahead, create an account using the link in the description and try this out for yourself following the instructions. And you can see I'm not even bullshitting you. This is on their free plan. They do have paid options. And I am using a CDN. Now, if you are just running a website locally and you have a very targeted audience like in the country, you don't have to use a CDN. It's actually really simple, right? But you can see here, I'm getting 99s and 100s. And I didn't tinker with the images like this. Service is going to do everything for you to get you to 100%. If you actually go to that website right now, you're going to see that it's really fast and it's really responsive, right? Some metrics that you should be looking out for is on the mobile, especially mobile experience right now, it's very important. We can see the time to first byte. It's 90 milliseconds. And the first contentful pane, it's about 0.3 seconds. The largest one is 0.4 seconds. So as you can see, this works. All right, so how this works, it's very simple. You go into Nitro Pack, you click Get Started, and then you can go with their free plan using the link in the description, right? You click Start for free, and then you type your website name, and then you type your actual website, and you sign up for the service. It's free. All right, and then we are on the dashboard, and here we have to actually configure some things. Okay, so if you're using WooCommerce, it's actually really easy to set up. All you have to do is log in the dashboard, verify your account, and then go to the Connect Your Website tab, right? And then it will give you your site name and your site ID and your site secret to connect. And you can see the optimizations that have been done here. You can check this out. Or you can, you can configure the settings here, and this is how I have them configured right now. And one last thing to configure this correctly, if you're using Cloudways, which you should, go here in the application settings in the Cloudways dashboard, and you will find on the varnish settings, you have to actually add a new rule into that, and it's pretty simple to do. So you go here and you type add new rule, type cookie method exclude, and then type this into the value field. It's NitroPack dash no cache, right? And then save this rule. It's that simple. You don't have to do anything else. And that's it. You have to actually give some time to the page to be properly cached. But then have a look at your metrics and you will see it's 99 or 100%. That was it for this video, guys. So it's a really quick one here. Today, if you want to watch a detailed review of the themes that I'm using, you can probably click on the top in the end of the cards. And I hope you have a great day. I hope you're crushing it and make some stuff happen and create some stuff, some awesome stuff. And be awesome to see you in another video. Peace out.